How to change and reset APN settings on Android. This tutorial shows you how to update or restore your APN settings to fix network issues on your Android device. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. After that, tap on Connections and then tap on Mobile Networks. From there, tap on Access Point Names to open your APN settings. At this point, you'll see your current APN profiles listed on the screen. In the next step, tap on your active APN to open and edit its details. Following this, make any necessary changes to the APN settings as provided by your carrier, such as the APN address, username, or proxy settings. Once done, tap Save to apply the changes. From here, if you want to reset your APN back to default, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the APN screen. At this stage, tap on Reset to Default to restore all APN settings back to your carrier's original configuration. Finally, restart your device by pressing and holding the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart to apply the changes and restore your network connectivity. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you change or reset your APN settings, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.